Pick your pics. Crop the pics to how long you want it to be. Recommended 1.0 second both pics. Now overlay the color you downloaded. Crop it until the end of the first pic. Recommended 0.3 second. Scale it until it covers the screen. Make the mask circle and scale it until you can't see it. Add a keyframe at the very beginning of the overlay, also at the end. When you're on top of the second keyframe, scale the overlay until it covers the screen. Add the same overlay again and crop it. Recommended 0.3 second. Also scale it until it covers the screen. Also add keyframes at the beginning and at the end. Make sure you're on top of the first keyframe. Make the mask circle and invert it. And scale it until you can't see it. Then at the second keyframe, scale it until you can see the second pic. This is where I crop the two overlays to make them 0.3 seconds. Export it and you're done. Pick your pics again. Crop the pics to how long you want them to be. I did 0.6 seconds. Copy the first pic and make it an overlay. Now copy that overlay and put it under the first overlay. And move the mask slightly to the left. Now add a keyframe at the beginning and at the middle. At the middle keyframe, move the overlay to the left. Do the same things for the second overlay, but instead of moving it to the left, this time move it to the right. Now copy the second pic. Crop the overlays until the end of the copied second pic, aka the third pic. Now crop the overlays just before the end of the second pic. Now watch me closely. Now that we are done with the open close, apply the out animation, slide left to the third pic and the second overlays, and make the duration of the animation 0.3 seconds. Now export and you're done.